Welcome to another episode of Barney and Buddy, the roofing guys. We have a most interesting fellow with us today, Mike Swamp Serpent Hunter Chumbley. Welcome.
Welcome.
So, I don't know what you do, so why are you here?
So I am a sales representative for Progressive Materials Roof Silicone.
So basically you're a gator hunter in disguise, right?
A gator hunter in disguise, that is correct.
I got a little something here that Chris gave me when you two went out on your little outing. Looked like you had some boat trouble there.
It was all under control.
Yeah.
It was all under control.
See, this is what they do when I'm here working every day. Unbelievable. But hang on just a second here. Got a malfunction on the other end. You know, they don't give me much to work with here. So tell me a little bit about yourself there, Gator Hunter.
Married for 24 years.
Congratulations. I'm 1 year behind you.
Nice.
Right. No money to show for it, right?
Exactly. Exactly. Well, I got 4 kids. So
Oh, cool.
3 of them are in college right now, so that's been a little fun, challenging.
I'm sure.
Other than that, I just drive around and pedal silicone.
Pedal silicone.
Yeah.
You sell that watered down silicone that we use, right?
It's not quite so watered down, but yes, I do sell that silicone that you use.
So how is your material better than anybody else's out there?
Well, you get me. You get me. When I sell my stuff, you get me. So that's just part of it.
I don't get you. Ronnie does, but I don't get you.
I've taken you out to lunch.
Once.
Twice.
On a pity lunch.
It wasn't. We tried to get Buddy, but they said you had to go instead.
Hey, you didn't even say hi to Buddy.
Hi, Buddy.
So, what are the benefits of the coating for a building owner?
It's protected for UV. It's resistant to ponding water. The application.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm listening.
No, its application is easy to use. So beneficial for you. All right there?
Oh, sorry. I had to take the red eye last night to get back here. So sorry about that.
Because they're working you too hard.
Oh yeah. You know, everybody else gets to stay around here and joke and have fun. You know, get ready to enjoy the holidays. I got Barney running all over the place, and then doing this for all day today. So what's one of the biggest problems you run into in your type of work? Is it contractors or building owners or?
I would say just building owners and the
Ronnie Perdue's.
The Ronnie Perdue's are good guys. You know, I rely on Ronnie, Chris, Brian to give me good intel and to tell me if it's a coatable roof. That's probably more that we run into. That's an issue where the roof is not coatable and the owner still wants to coat it as opposed to ripping it off. And
so that means you don't get a sale if we can't coat it. Is that what you're saying?
Pretty much, yeah. But I rely on you guys to tell me it's coatable or not.
So what do you like about West Roofing? And don't lie.
Don't lie?
Yeah.
The friendships, hanging out.
Well, how come I didn't
Gator
get to go?
hunting.
How come I didn't get to go gator hunting?
That was Chris. Chris won
Oh
the
yeah,
tags.
Chris takes all the. Yeah, okay.
Chris got I didn't get the tags. Chris did.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh, he said it was the other way around.
I'm surprised we're sticking with that story. We really went to Disney.
Did you?
Yeah, and just
went
rode,
to Disney. I really want to go to Disney.
We went to Disney and just drove
Where's your
It's a
ears at?
Small World over and over again. That's Chris's favorite.
Oh yeah, duck hunting. Don't get me started.
Oh yeah.
Well, I appreciate you coming in today.
Not a problem.
Wasting my time and Buddy's time, but really appreciate it, and hopefully you'll let me go gator hunting one time.
Let's hope so. And do you know if Buddy's available for dinner?
Oh yeah, but he's a troublemaker. He gets out of control. I got some pictures that one day I'll bring up, but it's a family-oriented type show,
Right.
so I got to leave him be for now until I can, change him. But
Okay, fair enough.
all right, thanks a lot.
Thanks, buddy.